Good, good afternoon, everybody. We have to see one of the important practical of this session, that is design JPEG amplifier and measure its gain performance. Did you getting my voice? Please reply. Did you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have seen. Wait. See, our practical name is to design the JPEG amplifier and measure its gain. So for that purpose, we have to see something related to the junction field effect transistor. What do you mean by which thing we have to be followed? See, we have seen that the BJT is nothing but a bipolar junction transistor, right? Bipolar junction transistor, same device as like a BJT, JPIT. JPIT indicates that junction field effect transistor. So one of the important difference between BJT and JPT is that BJT is a current control device and JPT is a voltage control device. See, so in many applications we have to be prefer the JPT than that of BJT. You know that the application of the audio amplifier. Audio amplifier indicates that we have put out the mic and that should be connected to the amplifier, and that sound should be flexible, or that should be sound more. This is the application of your uh, amplifier, right? So for the purpose of amplifier we have to use the two devices. One is your BJT, other is your JPET, right? So when we have to use the BJT, in that case what happen, BJT have less input impedance indicate that whatever the input applied across it, other signal also came with respect to your BJT, right? Means noise signal is also added with the BJT. But when you have to use the JPET, in that case they have high input impedance. High input impedance indicate that noise is not added in a JPET. That is the main advantages of JPET than that of BJT. So all of the application of the today's world, we have to be prefer more. In case of the radio amplifier, we have to be more prefer the JPET than that of your BJT. The reason behind it is that JPET have the high input impedance, so noise should not be added. So see, तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल की कधी कधी आवाज ज्यावेळेस चालू असतो ना, त्यावेळेस कधी कधी कर्कश आवाज तुमच्या अम्प्लिफायर मध्ये येतो. म्हणजे आवाज तुम्ही बोलत असता वेगळा आणि आवाज तिथे कर्कश असा वेगळाच आवाज येतो, राईट? ते होत होतं इन केस ऑफ ओल्ड एअर अम्प्लिफायर, राईट? बीजेटी. बट टुडेज use of the JPEG, they have to be, that's why they have to be avoid the unwanted signal. That's why they give the good sound quality than that of earlier in case of your audio amplifier. Now see, we just discussed the something related to the BJT and JPEG before studying the experiment, right? We know that BJT indicates that bipolar junction transistor. We know that there are two types of bipolar junction transistor. One is your NPN type of transistor, other is your PNP type of transistor. So what is the difference between NPN and PNP that I am telling you? See, NPN indicate that there is a 2N and 1P. So 2N indicate that there should be majority of the electron, not a holes, because 2N indicates that there should be largest number of electron. In case of PNP, there should be 2P indicate that largest number of holes. So one of the important thing with respect to the NPN and PNP, I'm telling you, there should be 98% application of the world. There should be more use of the NPN type of transistor. There should be reason behind it is only that NPN indicates that there should be largest number of electrons. So for the current conduction purposes, we have to use the electrons. That's why NPN type of transistor used in all over world, about 98% of the application. That is the reason behind it is. Okay, so PNP indicate that holes are major. See, holes indicate that there should be positive charge, right? So positive charge indicates that for conduction purposes we doesn't use up it more. So that's why PNP used some of the application as like as 2% of the application in the world. So that is nothing but related to the PNP configuration. See, we just discussed related to the NPN type of transistor. NPN type of transistor, if it have the larger number of the electron, it have less input impedance. Less input impedance indicate that if any of the noise coming with respect to your input, that should be easily attached to the input with input. Why that happens? Because less input impedance indicate that any of the noise signal that should be coming to the input. But see, in case of junction field effect transistor, JFET, it have the high input impedance. It indicates that if any noise coming with respect to
हॅलो सर, आवाज कमी येतोय सर.
कमी येतं. Okay. I have to do Now tell me, are you getting sound? Please tell me.
सर कमीच येतोय थोडा. रोजच्या सारखा येत नाही सर.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम. मगासारखाच म्हणजे चेंज काहीच झालं नाही. हॅलो, मगासारखाच येतोय का थोडा?
नाही सर, काही चेंज झाला नाही सर.
Did you getting sound now? Please tell me, did you getting sound now?
सर
सर
येतोय
येतोय
पण
पण
लहान
कमी
येतोय.
येतोय सर लय.
काय येतोय?
कमी येतोय सर लय आवाज. म्हणजे हळू आवाज येतोय लय, असं लाऊडली येत नाही.
थोडं लाऊडली आवाजात मी बोलेन, कारण नेटवर्कचा इश्यू असू शकतो काहीतरी, म्हणजे नेटचा. मोठ्या आवाजात बोलतो. जरी नाही त्यातनं काय तर मला सांगा, त्यावेळेस मी रिपीट करतो. ओके, आता आवाज येतोय ना? तरी म्हणजे स्मॉल का असेना पण
येतोय सर.
येतोय.
ओके.
होय.
See, we just tell related to the JFET. JFET indicate that junction field effect transistor. Junction field effect transistor indicate that it have high input impedance compared to the BJT, so that in case of your application, if any device have input impedance more, it indicate that noise is not added to it. So that's why it is more preferred. That is the thing related to the JFET. That's why JFET is used more in a today's application of audio amplifier. This is the thing related to the BJT and JFET. See, what is the difference, actual difference between BJT and JFET that we have seen, because why we have to see the difference first. See, when we have to be prefer the device for our application, in that case we have two choices. One is BJT, other is your JFET. See, when we have to be use the BJT, it have its own advantage. JFET, it's have more advantage compared to the BJT. So we know that BJT indicate that bipolar junction transistor, right? Bipolar junction transistor indicate that it have current conduction takes place due to the both, that is electron as well as holes, right? And it is also the three-terminal semiconductor switching device. Three terminal indicate that it have emitter, base, collector. These are the three terminals, right? These are the three terminal coming with respect to your bipolar junction transistor. And normally it also amplify the same signal as your JFET. But see, in case of your JFET, it also the three terminal. So no change with respect to terminal, but the name of the particular with respect to JFET are different. Means gate, drain, and source. These are the three terminal with respect to your JFET. So normally BJT, one of the important thing is that noise is more in case of BJT. This will be happen due to the input impedance is more. But in case of JFET, there is a less noise coming with respect to input. This will be happen due to the high input impedance. And see, in case of BJT, one of the important thing is that in case of BJT, we have to be follow the majority as well as minority charge carrier. What it indicate that, see, in case of your BJT, there should be current conduction take place due to the both, that is the electron as well as holes. But in case of your JFET, there should not be current conduction due to the both electron and holes. Why? Because JFET is a majority charge carrier devices. Majority charge carrier indicate that there are, see, we know that BJT have to type NPN and PNP. Same in case of your JFET, there should be N channel JFET and P channel JFET. N channel have larger number of electron, P channel have larger number of holes. Same way, only majority indicate that N channel have the majority of the electrons, P channel have the majority of the holes, right? So only in that case the current condition take to due to the majority charge carrier. So N channel have the electrons major, so current conduction due to the only electron. In case of P channel, current conduction due to the only holes, right? That should be difference between BJT and JFET. Did you getting my voice? If it not loudly, but you getting the sound now? Please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So BJT and JFET, we should prefer the JFET because it have more advantages than that of your BJT, as we have seen. Which are the advantages of it? See, I again explain you the things related to the BJT and JPET. BJT indicate that bipolar junction transistor. Bipolar indicate that it have current conduction takes place due to the both electrons as well as hole. But in case of JPET, either your electrons or either your holes current conduction takes place. This will be the thing with respect to your JPET. See, another thing, field effect transistor is the device which have the, also we know that, I know I already told you it have also the three terminal, but the name in case of BJT there should be three terminal, that is a emitter base collector, but in case of JPET there should be terminal which have name such as gate drain source, right? That should be the differential point. Also, one of the important thing is that it have another, means in case of BJT we have seen that in case of BJT there should be only NPN or PNP type, but in case of JPET there should be N type, P type, or the N mode operation, P mode operation. That should be operating operation of your JPET, right? And in case of I already told, in case of your JPET there should be current conduction takes place due to the both due to the only majority, that is either your electrons or holes. That should be thing with respect to the field effect transistor. Now see, another thing with respect to JPET is that in case of JPET, now see, when we are applying the voltage or current across your BJT as well as JPET, right? So amplification, one of the only one disadvantage with respect to JPET is that in case of BJT, if we apply the smallest input, right? If we apply the smallest input, it should amplify the more output, right? But in case of JPET, there should not be more amplification with respect to JPET. That only the disadvantage thing with respect to your JPET, right? So these are the thing with respect to the JPET. Now this is the actually circuit diagram of junction field effect transistor. Right now, draw it. We have to simulator practical on it. Draw the diagram of it. Draw the diagram. Next time for practical only 1 hour. That's why fast draw the diagram fast. While drawing this diagram, we have to simulate or practical on our simulator. That is a multi-sim is the software where we have to simulate the same configuration. This is the input supply, 8.2 k resistors, microfarad. Resistance, series resistance of 1 mega ohm. This is the BFW element. This is actually JPET device. 6.8 k resistance, 6.8 k resistance. This is called as RD. This is called as RS resistance. This is CS, means source capacitance, 10 microfarad. Here also C2 of 10 microfarad. झालं ड्रॉ करून. Please give me reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to be draw the diagram on the simulator. Before that, we have see one of the observation table. See there is an observation table. This is the observation table. After all, practical I can again explain if time is coming. Observation table. First is your frequency. Second column is V0 in volts. See first column is your frequency, then V0 in volts. Write down one of the remaining Vs in volt. Here write down frequency V0 in volts. Then here Vs in volts. Vs in volts. Frequency V0 in volts. Then Vs in volts. Then gain V0 divided by Vs. Gain equal to V0 divided by Vs. Fourth column. Fifth column, gain in dB, which is equal to 20 log of V0 divided by Vs. 20 log of V0 divided by Vs. You have to be 5 column. First column is frequency. Second column is V0 in volts. Third column is Vs. Here is not Vs in volt. Then gain, which is equal to V0 divided by Vs. Then last column is gain in dB, 20 log of V0 divided by Vs. Okay. ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल ड्रॉ करून झालं का? झालं का?
Yes, sir.
ओके. See. See, multi-sim, write down here multi-sim. This is one of the software which will simulate the particular configuration. See. Okay. Okay. See the diagram. The diagram, which thing we have to be used. See. See. Okay. See, we have to be use the diagram. In that diagram, we have to be use the 8.2K resistance first, right? 8.2K resistance. Go through the place component. You have to select the all groups. After all that, select as a basic component, right? So 8.2K is a resistance, right? We have requirement near about 1, 2, 3 resistance in a diagram. You have to be select the 3 resistance. Okay. Basic, in that case, you have to be select the register, right? Register value of it. See, we have requirement of the value of the 8.2K. See, cancel. First is 8.2K. 8.2K, right? 8.2K. 8.2K. Okay. Select the OK button. Select the OK button. Okay. 8.2K. Again, we have required another 2 registers. We have to be only take out the registers. We have to be change the value on that point also. तुम्ही जे रेजिस्टन्स घेता ना त्याची व्हॅल्यू आपण तिथं पण चेंज करू शकतो. फक्त आपण रेजिस्टन्स घेऊन ठेवू आता. एक झाला. नंतर इथे एक लागतोय. आणखीन एक लागतोय इकडं. Okay, here is there are 3 resistors required. Okay, after all that we have requirement of the 1, 2, 3 capacitor, right? 3 capacitor of the 10 microfarad value. So go to the place component. Here is a select basic thing capacitor. See here where is the capacitor? Select the capacitor, right? So capacitor value is 10 microfarad, all of the 10 microfarad. So here write down 10 microfarad. Okay. So first here is the requirement of one capacitor. After all, we have require another 2 capacitor. That is one is for the output, one is for here. Here indicate that with respect to here. 1 minute. One resistance is for the purpose of here, right? So we requirement of the one BFW 11, that is a JFET. So go place component, select here as a transistor. Select transistor. Now write down the name here. BFW 11. BFW 11. Nearby here. BFW 11. Right? Okay. Did you getting my voice? Please tell me, did you getting my voice? Please tell me, did you getting
Yes,
my...
sir.
Okay. FW11. So that should be here. Now connect all of the component. Okay. Connect all of the component. See here we also requirement of the input, right? Input is nothing but here is the part. See. Here is the that should be used. This is the multimeter. We don't require it, but required for another cases. See, we have right the multimeter. One minute. We have requirement of function generator. See, input is nothing but a function generator input. So we have to use the function generator here. Like function generator here. After all that, function generator is nothing but an input, right? So after all that, we have connect all other things, right? All other thing indicate that. See, connect the cell. Connect the cell. Correct. Okay. After all that, see, delete because we have corrected this downward. So right click on that, rotate 90 degree clockwise, right? After all that, this should be going downward, right? So R1 indicate that 8.2K, right? This should be connected to the positive of this function generator. Function generator positive. Second point of it connected to the capacitor. Second point of it be connected to the capacitor, right? After all that, here this should be connected to this resistor. So this should be connected to these resistors. After all that, this terminal is connected to here. See here. After all that, this going towards the ground, so that this should be connected here, and after all that it should be going towards the upper part. Upper part indicate that common of your function generator. Okay. After all that, here is one of the resistance of the 6.8 kilo ohm. Right, we have changed the value after all. Okay, this is the, here we have requirement of the resistance of 6.1 kilo ohm. So see, place component basic, here basic resistance, register, tell value of it 6.8 k, 6.8 k. See here.
सर व्हॉइस ब्रेक होतोय.
ओके ओके, थोडं हळू चाललंय त्यामुळं एक मिनिट मी बोलतो. 6.8 k. Okay, resistance of 6.8 k, which should be connected here. 6.8 k resistance, rotate it 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree, connect it, connect it. There should be internet problem. Okay, after all that, this part should be connected here. It is nothing but this resistance connected here. Okay, here. After all that, we have to use this resistance. We don't require it. 1 minute. We don't require it. Delete it. After all that, there is a power supply. Here is one of the power supply. We have to be place component sources. Sources is nothing but a power supply. Sources. Okay. So we have requirement of the power sources. Right? Power sources. Correct on it. And
Sir,
the
voice break.
ब्रेक होतोय का? आता येतोय का? हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो,
ब्रेक होते सर.
इंटरनेटचा काय तर प्रॉब्लेम असणार आहे. आपल्याला डीसी पॉवर, व्हीडीडी पॉवर लागते. ओके, ती सिलेक्ट करायची. ओके करूया. व्हीडीडी पॉवर ती इथं जोडायची. व्हीडीडी. ओके, त्याची व्हॅल्यू जी आहे, सी व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द व्हीडीडी इज 12 volt. Right, so it is the value of the 12 volt. So change it 12 volt. 12 volt. Now getting sound. Tell me, now getting sound. आता आवाज येतोय व्यवस्थित? प्लीज रिप्लाय. येतोय का आता? हॅलो, आता आवाज येतोय का? प्लीज रिप्लाय द्या. आवाज येतोय का आता? हॅलो, now tell me, sound is there or not?